Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an acrylic dip. They are super fun and super easy to do, and you can get such beautiful paintings out of them. You'll be surprised at the designs and patterns you can get. So if you haven't done an acrylic dip before, then come along, follow me, and we're going to create some really cool paintings today. Come, let's go. Okay, so when I do an acrylic painting, I always cover the table with plastic anyway. So I've got my plastic down, and all I've done is I have marked off, and I know you're not going to see it very clearly, but I've marked off the size and the shape of the canvas I'm going to be painting, okay? So that is down on the plastic. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a white base down. So I've got some normal white paint, and then I'm just going to spread the white paint around using a palette knife, just so that it is going to cover the area that the canvas is going to be in. Right. Now, into that white paint, I am now going to be dropping random colors. You know me, I never have a plan with the paints or the colors I put down. So, random colors of paint. So that's like a purpley color, and this is turquoisey color, and some orange, I really need to open up the spout on this bottle because it is obviously blocked. Okay. That's it, that. A little bit of sap green. Right. A little bit of black. And then in this very deep purple color, I have put some silicone, and the reason for that is because the last time I did a dip, I didn't put silicone in, and I just want to see what it does if you do put silicone in. Just want to see what it does. So put some silicone in this, just this one color. Right, so now all we do is we take our canvas and we put it down into the paint. Now, I guarantee you, if you just pick this up now, you're going to have bald spots on your canvas. It always has bald spots, I don't know why. So I usually just take my palette knife, because right down under the wood, don't push hard, don't push hard. You don't want the paint to just squoosh out from under the canvas, but you just want to make sure that the whole canvas has paint on it at least. So just go around the canvas, especially here in the middle. Right, now I'm going to be doing two paintings, and the reason for that is because I want to show you two different things, two different ways of doing it. So for this one, I'm going to lift it straight up, okay, straight up. So just grab it and lift. Are you ready? Okay, there is a bald spot, still two bald spots. Not to worry, I'll put it down again. you can re-dip them. So let's try again, straight up. Okay, that's better. It looks covered. Yeah. So it looks pretty cool. Okay, and I see that there is lacing on that purple that I put the silicone in. So yeah, that's what I was looking for. Dip. Dip. That's also where these push pins on the side are handy, because you can now just grab onto the push pins. And last corner. And dip. Wow. There's just some air bubbles. I'll just pop those. Okay, for this next one, I'm actually going to put a black base down. So, whoa, goodness me. Well, that wasn't part of the plan now, was it? Never mind. Embrace the mess. So I am just going to spread this black around again. Okay, now onto the black. I am going to put my colors. And because black is very dark, I'm going to put a lot of color over it. Come on. Like that. Okay. And now what I have done with this one is I've mixed up white paint and put silicone in the white. So I am just putting some of this white down. Right, painting in. Now, make sure everything is covered again. Not taking any chances with this one. And just around the edges. With this one, I'm not going to lift it straight up like the other one. I'm going to tilt it that way. So here goes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. That looks pretty awesome. So, look at the table. I don't like those white spots. I'm just going to do it one more time. I'm just going to put it in. Push it down and lift. Yeah, I like that. That looks nice. That looks nice. So I'm just going to dip my sides again quickly. Dip. Dip. Everyone, thank you once again for following one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you are now going to rush out and do your own acrylic dip. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Like I said before, this is a brand new channel, and it's so hard to get a new channel up off the ground and running, you know. So I really would appreciate your support. Please also give the video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.